Hi friends, my name is Miss Jen and I'm here to show you how to make a popsicle stick harmonica or a humbuzzer. And it sounds like this. Let's get started. There are a few materials that you need for your humbuzzer. You need 2 large popsicle sticks, 2 small rubber bands, 1 large rubber band, and 2 pieces of straw, about this long. They're about 1 inch long. To start, you're going to take one of your popsicle sticks and your bigger rubber band, and you're going to loop it over each end. So you put it over one end like this, and the other end like that. And make sure it's in the middle so it doesn't slip off. The next thing you're going to do is take your pieces of straw and put them underneath the rubber band. Like that, and like that. And this is on either side of the stick, so it kind of looks like this. Next, take your other popsicle stick and you're going to put it on top. You're going to kind of make a straw sandwich. So it looks like that. And you may have to squish down your straw a little bit. You can just squish it like that. And it's okay if your straws are a little bit flat. And then you're going to take your little rubber band and wrap it and wrap it and wrap it all the way around the end of your stick. And you're going to do that with the other side as well. And that way your straw sandwich does not fall apart. So it looks like that. And that's it. Now you need to practice with your humbuzzer. So what you're going to do is put it to your lips and blow. It takes a little bit of practice. And if you're not getting any sound out of it, you may have to press your lips together a little bit harder, or you may need to squish your straws down just a little bit more because they might be too tall. You can get different sounds by moving your straws around. So this is what it looks like this. But if you move them closer together, it sounds like this. So what's the science behind a humbuzzer? Sound is made when air flows across the popsicle stick and the rubber band, and it vibrates. And that vibration comes from your breath. Can you name any other instruments that use air or vibration to make noise? What other sounds can you get out of your humbuzzer? Go ahead and give it a try.